In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print multiple pages on one sheet in Microsoft Word. This is a handy skill to have when you're looking to save paper or create a more compact document. Let's go through the steps together, making sure everything is clear and easy to understand. First, you'll need to open the document in Word that you wish to print. Once you have your document ready and open on the screen, the next step is to access the printing options. To do this, head over to the top left corner of your Word window and click on File. This opens a drop-down menu with several options. In the menu, look for the Print option and give it a click. This will take you to the Print Settings screen, where you can customize how your document will be printed. On the Print Settings page, you'll see various options available to tailor your print job to your needs. One specific setting we're interested in for today's tutorial is the pages per sheet, sometimes referred to as multiple pages per sheet. This feature allows you to print more than one page of your document on a single sheet of paper, a great way to conserve resources. Depending on your version of Word, finding this setting might look a bit different. In some versions, you might directly see a pages per sheet drop-down menu. In others, the option may be under an area labeled More Settings or the Zoom section. Once you've found it, click on the drop-down menu and it'll present you with several options. You can select the number of pages you want to fit onto one sheet. Common choices are 2, 4, or even 6 pages per sheet. Keep in mind, though, that while printing more pages per sheet saves paper, it also reduces the size of your text, making it smaller and potentially harder to read. Consider what's suitable for your document and your needs at this point. Once you've made your selection, you'll notice that the print preview on the right gives you a visual of what your printed pages will look like. This can help you decide if the option you selected works well for you. If the text looks too small, you might want to decrease the number of pages per sheet. Finally, when you're satisfied with the settings, proceed to click on the Print button. Your printer will begin the job, and you'll have a compact, concise printout of your document. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully learned how to print multiple pages on one sheet in Word. Quite simple, isn't it? As always, practice makes perfect, so feel free to try it with different documents and settings until you find what works best for your needs. Happy printing!